Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking La Mer. La Mer. So I have La Mer's powder brush, which is amazing. I love that brush. It washes well. I've had it for a couple of years and it's still going strong. It's one of the best powder brushes I've ever used. But I haven't used all powder brushes, so I love it though. And I wanted to try their foundation brush because I use my nifty beauty blender or my fingers normally. So, hey, we're gonna try it. Let's talk about it first. I'm using my phone lately because my laptop has been a little finicky. But, side note, man, I hope Apple comes out with this 27-inch desktop because that is what I'm waiting for. 24 is okay. Really want the 27-inch. You know, the bigger screen. Yeah. Anyway, so I digress. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, La Mer, the foundation brush. It retails for $80. And it is a foundation brush that helps smooth fluid foundation easily over the skin for meticulous application and flawless looks. This full, luxurious brush makes applying foundation and concealer a pleasure. The curved, tapered shape is designed to hug facial contours, build coverage, and blend flawlessly. Innovated with synthetic bristles for essential hygiene and simple care. Okay, how to use. Use sweeping motions for light coverage or stippling dot and release motions to build richer coverage. So use sweeping motions for lighter coverage or stippling dot and release motions to build richer coverage. Okay. Also ideal for applying the concealer. For care, wash in gentle, cleaner, mild soap or shampoo weekly. For me, that's washing Dawn dish soap. Cleanse in the palm of your hand, rinse and lay flat on a towel dry. Okay, let's get into it. All right, I just purchased some more Luminous Silk foundation. I still am gonna try the La Mer foundation. I just haven't yet. But I got it in an 8 because I am tanned. So, yeah. Let's open it up. I already took the plastic off. Anything else? Nope. Okay. It's definitely smaller than the powder brush, of course, because the powder brush is supposed to powder your face. It's supposed to be fluffy and all that stuff. Oh, okay. There's something on here for me to pull off. Yeah, sweetie, you're doing so good. Okay, take that off. It says foundation. It doesn't say made in China like the other brush does. But okay. Oh, it's soft, yet very contoured and firm. It's not heavy. This is plastic. All of this is plastic. Should we come a little closer? Let's come a little closer. We're going to do one side of the face with the La Mer, and then we're going to do the other side with the Beauty Blender to see how it looks. I think that's fair, right? I thought you should be a little bit closer. Okay, let's do this. All right. My dark circles are huge right now. Don't judge me. I don't sleep. Okay. So we're gonna put some of this on. It's a new bottle, so shake. Shake. Okay. And let's swish, shall we? Yeah, sweetie. Oh. 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 Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. You can hear the synthetic fibers. Huh. Okay, that went on nice and smooth. I like that. Difference. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. Now let's do the other side with the Beauty Blender. I normally put on a liquid highlighter with it, but we're just doing it with the foundation now so you guys can just see. Okay. Yeah. What do you guys think? Beauty Blender, La Mer. $20? 90? Something like that. I will say that the Beauty Blender goes into your skin more. And so it has a more of a, I'm coming, sweetie, mommy's coming, you're doing so good. The Beauty Blender seemingly, well, to me, reduces the look of my pores a little bit more. This right here, though, went on really smooth. I like it. Let's try the stippling. I'm going to put a little bit more, just a little bit, just to see. Oh, okay. 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 So, yes, that stippling gives you more coverage. As soon as I did this, I saw it go into my skin more. Okay, so do I like this? Yes, I like this. Did this suck up the product? No, it didn't suck up the product. Yeah, you're doing so good. The truth is that there isn't a huge difference between this and this. The biggest difference is that this sucked up a bit more product. And so I didn't necessarily was able to put it all, really get it right here in my forehead or over here. But this Beauty Blender is still amazing. It does suck up more product than this though. But yeah, this is beautiful. I like it. And I will start using it. Yes, I will start using this. This is beautiful. Yeah, I like this. For people who like brushes and aren't big on the Beauty Blender because it sucks up product or just aren't into sponges, then the brush will be good for you. I also want to try it with the concealer. Hold on one second. Let me try it. All right, let's try it with the concealer. I'm gonna put a little concealer on. And I normally use my Beauty Blender. Okay, there we go. First, use this. I'm gonna stipple it since they said for coverage. You wanna see? So I definitely put too much on. Seems like I don't need that much on with this. Yeah, sweetie. Mommy's almost done. Okay. Just wipe that. Oh, that went on really nice. That went on really nice. Oh, I like that it just doesn't move the product around. Oh, 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 that's beautiful. Do you see that? Yeah, that went on really lovely. Okay, now let's do the beauty blender. The beauty blender still goes on beautifully as well. Which one do you like best? I really like this brush. I think this is lovely. I like it. I like it a lot. It fits in your crevices of your nose and yeah, I like it. And I like the fact that I'll be able to go down on my neck. I never do my neck, rarely. But yeah, this doesn't just move product around. And I like that. So yeah. Yeah, I hope that helps you guys figure out if it's something you were looking at buying or trying. Yeah, I like it. I wonder though if I keep putting more on, will this move product around? Or if you just have to use the stippling method. But I don't put on very heavy foundation. So the Armani is medium to full coverage. Or you can even do pretty light coverage with the Armani, which I really like. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you next time. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. You did so good. Yeah, I really like this. This applies the foundation beautifully. If you're looking at brushes, this applies it beautifully. Yeah. It applies it beautifully. Yeah, that did a really good job. I like it.